In this video, I will show you how to add a CNAME record to Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, first of all, I want you to log into your Cloudflare account. Once you're authenticated, I want you to navigate to Add, connect a domain name. After you input the existing domain name, you're going to go to manually enter DNS records, and then you're going to click on Continue. Here, we're going to choose the plan that we want, but I'm going to select the free plan. After that's loaded, we have the manual entry, and here we can add our CNAME record. What we need to do is we need to scroll down and click on Add Record. Here we can add a CNAME record. For example, let's add a CNAME type here. And for the name, we can do www. And for the target, we can use the website, the domain that we want to target. And just like that, we've added a CNAME record. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.